So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your favicon in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do once you log in is to open up your website builder. After that you can see on the left layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalized, sell online, blog, SEO settings, learn. Now through here I suggest you go to SEO and settings. So let's open that. From here, you can see my site icon, site domain, site SSL, SEO, and many options down below. Now, from here, you can see Favicon, the icon that appears next to the page title and the browser tab and on Google's mobile search results. So this will be a sort of logo or rather an icon or a picture that will pop up once you search for that page. So you can click on this. And once you've clicked on that, you will see the option to add an image through your file explorer. Or you can just choose a different type of image like some cars, some founders. These are just basic pictures that will give you the option. So you can see you can look something like this. You can use some other pictures that are more of still nature and stuff like that. So there's really a lot of different choices that you can make for choosing your picture. And don't worry, once you've chosen some picture, you can unchoose it or rather unselect it, as you can see through here, and then just add a different photo. You can also upload it through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.